You wouldn't believe, guys, what just happened. So I reached my gate and my flight just got cancelled, and on top of that we had to run to the service center of Lufthansa because we were flying through Lufthansa. Now when we went there, you wouldn't believe, these people just shut down the counter knowing that people are flying to the US, which was very weird. And then after like 40-45 minutes, they only allowed people who had like an Indian passport to get in and ask for another ticket or something, because as soon as I got that cancellation ticket, they said that my flight was delayed and it would take me like 2 days to fly to Washington DC. And that was like pretty shocking, because like what will I do in the airport for 2 days? Like I don't even have a Schengen visa. Bazaar is like $13. Harvard Business Review. We have one for $20. Is it? Oh, pretty.
When you're around, I've been trying to come down on a high when you're around. Lift me from the ground, talk to me, I love that sound. Out of words when you're around, lift me from the ground. I've been trying to come down on a high when you're around. Lift me from the ground. Lift me from the ground. Lift me from the ground. Lift me from the ground.
Getting these, probably this and this. Thank you. And plus, like, not doing anything, like where should I stay, like we all didn't think about all these things. And then you won't believe what just happened. So luckily we went to the Lufthansa section, the service section, and they transferred us to a flight which was like 4-5 hours more to delay. Like it's a 5:30 flight, so our flight was actually at 12:55, but now our flight is at 5:10, and we'll be reaching the US at 8:20. We were actually gonna reach like 3 in the afternoon, but this time we are reaching at night, so it's okay. But as long as we got a flight and as long as we are gonna reach Alhamdulillah. But you know what was the funny thing? I was thinking about why were they not allowing people with the Schengen visa or US visa? Okay, I get it. I could see that they have some problems with the US people, but people with the Schengen visa, I feel like I felt personally, I was feeling that people can get out and they can like travel and do their things, and even if like 2 days it's a delay, they can still like figure it out what to do. Probably that's the reason they allowed other passports instead of two of those passports. I think that was one of the reasons. But with giving us new flight tickets, they also gave us like coupons, which was like 15 euros and 15 euros to eat somewhere. So probably in some time we'll be going. Right now it's like 1 o'clock, and at 2 like that we'll be heading to eat, and then 3:30 like that we'll come back near our gate because boarding starts at like 4:30ish. So yeah, so that was a mishap that happened, and yeah, I had to update you guys and tell you guys about it.
Tension's gone now, and now you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget ya. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time.